The next question is, you can see a special 2-digit number is such that when the sum of its digit is added to the product of its digit and the result is equal to the original two numbers, then this is a special 2-digit number. Okay, suppose the example is given here. Suppose 59 is inputted here, so 59. Okay, so individual digit is 5 and 9, and if individual digit is going to sum, then it becomes 14, right? You can see here. And if it is multiplied, it becomes 45, and if we are going to add this 14 and 45, then it becomes 59. Okay, and if this happen, because 59 is the inputted value by the user, so number is actually 59, and after doing this calculation, the result becomes 59. If this type of sort type of things actually happen, then this type of 2 digits number are known as the 2-digit special number. Now what to do? Write a program in C to accept a 2-digit number and check it is a 2-digit special number or not. So in this question, you have to do check whether the 2-digit number is a special 2-digit number or not. Okay, so let's start. So you can see I have already taken the input from the user, which actually stored in the variable n. Okay, now I am going to check whether n is a special 2-digit number or not. Okay, but in the question there is mentioned already that you can see write a program to accept a 2-digit number. The question actually prefer the user to enter the 2-digit number. Okay, but maybe the user is not actually intended to enter the 2-digit number. Maybe a user is not quietly unable to understand what kind of digit value actually going to enter, and for this reason a user may input 1-digit number as well as 2-digit number, and maybe more than 2-digit, that is 3-digit, 4-digit number. Okay, so and for this reason we have to first in this case we have to check. Okay, we have to check whether the number entered by the user, whether it is a 2-digit or not. If it is 2-digit, then we are going to check whether it is a special number, 2-digit special number or not. And if it is not a 2-digit number, we just leave it. We just leave the program. Okay, by showing some messages. Okay, and for this reason I am going to check whether the number is 2-digit or not. And that what is actually 2-digit number? 1, 2, 3 is not the 2-digit number, and 150, 200 is not the 2-digit number. 2-digit number like 10, 11, 12, 13, 98, 99. So 2-digit number basically start from 10 and up to 99. Okay, so the condition within this if is n is greater than 9 and n must be less than 100. It means that it becomes 10 to 99. Okay, if it is, then we are going to check it is a special 2-digit number or not. Okay, so in this else portion of this first if block, so if this condition, that it means that n is greater than 9 and n less than 100 is not satisfied, then it is not a 2-digit number. So this time we are not worrying to check whether it is a special number or not, and for this reason I am going to print a message that it is not a 2-digit number. Okay, so it's very simple that if the number is 2-digit, then we are going to check it is a special 2-digit number or not, otherwise we are not going to deal with this. Okay, so after taking the input I am going to check whether it is a special 2-digit number or not, and to check this we have to find out the individual digit, because if we don't find the individual digit, then how can we actually add this two digit and individual digit, and how can we actually multiply this individual two digit? Okay, now the question is how the individual digits actually separated from a two digit number. For case of two digit number, when the number is going to divide by 10, in the quotient portion, it returns the first digit of this number, and in the remainder portion it returns the last digit of this number. Okay, so in this portion I am going to do the division and modulo division operation to find out the quotient and the remainder, and by find out the quotient and remainder we can easily get two individual digit of this two digit number, right? So for this reason I am just declaring another variable n1 and n2, another two variables. Okay, so in n1 I am going to do the like to store the actually the quotient portion, so n1 equals to n by 10, and in the n2 variable I like to store the remainder portion, and that's why I'm just doing the modulo operation here. And so the individual digit actually store in the variable n1 here, the first digit actually store in the n1, and the second digit of the inputted two digit number actually store into the variable n2. Now I'm going to do the addition operation, because each individual digit is going to add then multiply it. Okay, and for this reason I'm just declaring another variable sum, and for product, and then again total. Okay, so I am doing the sum here, so sum is n1 plus n2. Okay, right? Now product product equals to n1 is multiplied by n2, and after doing this, if the sum of these two result is become the number, then it is a special two digit. So let's sum it up. So total equals to sum plus product. Okay, now I am going to check whether this total value is same with n or not. If it is same, then it is a special two digit number, otherwise it is not a special two digit number. Okay, right? So within this if I am going to declare another if. So this is an example of nested if within the if. Okay, so I am going to check whether n is equal to total or not. If it is same, then obviously it is a special two digit number, and that's why in the statement of the if block I am going to write that it is a special two digit number. Okay, right? And in the else block of this if I am going to print if the n is equals to total is becomes false. It means that the number inputted by the user is not same the total of this calculation, and then it not a special two digit number. And for this reason in the statement block of the else portion I am going to write it is But if I am going to run this program, every output actually printed on the output window in the same line, because I just forget to write down the \n. Okay, so I am going to write here \n in this portion, \n, and in this portion also \n. Okay, now I am going to compile this program and no error found, and then I am going to run this program. Okay, the program actually asking me to enter the number. In the first time I am going to write down the example given in the question, that is 59. So as it is already told that it is a special two-digit number, so let's see what's happened. 59. Oh, it shows the result. It is a special two-digit number. Okay, so it is working. And if I'm just going to run this program again and enter the any kind of number, suppose 95, okay, so it is not a special two-digit number. Why? Suppose if I just add these two numbers, 9 plus 5, it is 14, and 9 into 5, it is 45, and if the 14 and 45 is sum, then it becomes 59. So 59 is not equal to 25, so that's why it is not a special two-digit number. Okay, now again I am just going to run this program and entering 195. Okay, now you can see that 195 is not a two-digit number. If it is not two-digit number, then why it is going to change? And in this case, what's happened? It is not a two-digit number. It means this else block actually execute here. Okay, in this way we are actually check whether our inputted two-digit number is a special two-digit number or not. Okay,